When our client wanted to transform their dated kidney-shaped pool and face the challenge of bringing heavy machinery equipment into a limited space, our dedicated salesperson came up with a visionary solution. Our salesperson recommended creating a design that showcased our ability to bring a modern look by renovating the pool. This design included features like a sleek sun shelf following the curves of the pool, mesmerizing water features such as bubblers and deck jets, and cutting-edge aqualink automation for the pool. But that's not all. Our outdoor living team worked their magic, creating an inviting insulated roof aluminum-covered patio, complete with a fully equipped outdoor kitchen featuring stunning Panda Dolomite countertops. We wrapped the kitchen structure in sleek synthetic wood slats in black, extending them to the concrete wall behind the pool in matching panels. The result? A backyard that's not just custom, but a modern masterpiece.